first update on Tropical Depression 3W, which is named Agaton locally by the Philippines, by PAGASA, currently at 10.7 degrees north, 127.1 degrees east, which puts it just off the coast of the Visayas region. Right now it has winds of 30 miles per hour, which is 50 kilometers per hour, and a central pressure of 1003 millibars, moving east-northeast at 3 miles per hour. This is as of 7 p.m. local time in the Philippines. There's its current location displayed on the map. This is as of 7 p.m. April the 9th, and this system is pretty much stalling just off the coast of southeastern Samar. Right now it is 123 kilometers from Suluan, 133 from Siargao Island, 153 from Guyuan, 352 from Cebu, and 790 from the capital Manila. There are Signal 1 warnings in effect for eastern Samar, and obviously this storm could produce a lot of rainfall in the area. As a matter of fact, we're seeing very high amounts projected over the region, particularly in Samar, over the next few days. The forecast track of this system could become a tropical storm, but as of right now it's a depression. There's the potential tropical storm wind field in the next 24 to 48 hours, and then it starts to die off and get sucked into the massive influence of Tropical Storm Malakas, which is further towards the east. There is a lot of uncertainty about exactly which way it will go over the next 48 to 72 hours until it gets demolished by Malakas' influence, but PAGASA are actually calling for a southwestward movement, I think, or maybe that is northeast. It's hard to tell which way is which there. It probably is northeast actually, and as you can see on the scale there, lots of agencies going with 35 miles per hour, which is a little bit higher than JTWC. You can also see there the warnings, Siargao Island and Dinagat down there as well, also under Signal 1. So this is what the GFS model is proposing right now, a gradual movement northeast, and then it gets dragged into the southern side of Typhoon Malakas at that point. That storm could become a Category 3 as it moves off towards the northeast and possibly affect the Japanese islands, the Gasawara island chain. But you can see Agaton there first of all, having that tropical storm influence the green zone on the south side. The northern side will not be very windy, but looking at rainfall, that's probably going to be a big risk for the area, as we're about to see on this model run here. Here it is, the rainfall. Now it's glitchy, the model isn't fully working right now, it would appear on this visualization, but those green areas all denote areas of 350 millimeters of rain or higher, and that's mainly over Samar and Leyte, so we could be looking at very high amounts. Some localized amounts could reach 800 millimeters from this storm over the next 5 days, so very high amounts of rain, which could lead to flash flooding, landslides, and obviously not a good situation if that occurs. It could wash out roads and bridges. Looking at sea surface temperatures in the area as well, they're decent, not as high as usual, obviously because we're still early in this season. It is April, and it is quite an early start actually to have two systems at once, but sea surface temperatures around the area around 27 to 28 degrees Celsius for those who don't work in Fahrenheit there. That's still the only units we have available. Here's the latest satellite imagery. It is loaded on the western side in terms of its convection and therefore its rainfall. So Samar, Leyte and Siargao particularly will be getting high rain rates right now, and into the next 48 hours we could see that continue. Flash flooding, big concern, especially with the rain rates that we're currently getting. Like I said, 800 millimeters could fall in the next 72 hours, maybe a little bit more. But there we have it. That is Agaton, and we'll have more updates on this system as it develops.